Hey guys, this is Tanya. I teach CBSE Class 10 Maths and my sister Tina Lofus would be teaching CBSE Class 8 Maths. Alright, now let's jump into the video. Today we are going to be learning Chapter 5 Arithmetic Progressions, Exercise 5.1. First question, so this is the first question, okay. So first question and fourth subdivision. Alright, now let's read the question. The amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. So here we are just giving some money to the bank. So with that money the bank they used to make a compound interest. That means with that money they used to take interest. Okay, that is the meaning of compound interest. Okay, if you want the actual definition I can just say it. So compound interest is the interest in which we earn on interest. Okay, I know it is hard to understand, but no worries. Okay, so compound interest is nothing but so you paid you just gave some money to the bank, right? In that money they used to make interest, that is known as compound interest at 8% per annum. Alright, so here since they are talking about amount, money, compound interest and all, no, here we just studied a topic in 8th standard, that is A is equal to P 1 plus R divided by 100. This is a formula. Okay, so here A is the amount. Okay, so guys, so since the case this is the amount and this is principal and 1 plus R means rate. Okay, so you can say this is the formula for compound interest. Okay, so we studied this in 8th standard. Okay, alright, so now we can write amount for the first year. For the first year is equal to, so first year how much amount they made. So according to the question, the amount of money in the account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited. They just mentioned when rupees 10,000 is deposited. They didn't mention the first year, those stuffs and all, isn't it? So we can actually find it. Okay, how means by using this formula. Okay, all right, so by using this formula, so here first we have A. So here we don't know the value for A, so we can write it as it is equal to principal. Principal means here the amount they deposited. Okay, so that is 10,000 and then bracket 1 plus, so or rate. So what is the rate here? So here it is 8%, isn't it? So 8 divided by 100. Okay, and close the bracket. So now is equal to, so now what we can do is, now here, wait 1 second. So here when we just write divide by 1, we can actually take LCM, isn't it? So when we just take LCM, we'll get 100 plus 8 divided by 100. So bracket means multiplication. Okay, alright, so let's write 10,000 into, so instead of bracket, into 100 plus 8 divided by 100. Okay, so now we can actually cancel the zeros. Okay, so after cancelling the zeros we can write is equal to, so 100 into 100 plus 8 is 108. Okay, so wait 1 second, 100 into 108. So when we just multiply them, we'll get 10,800. Okay, so we'll get something like this. Yeah, so it's gonna be the rupees. Okay, alright, so this is gonna be the amount for the first year. Okay, alright, so rupees 10,800. Okay, so now let us write amount for the second year is equal to, so here also you are supposed to apply the formula. So one more thing I forgot, that in this formula here now we are supposed to write the timeline as well. Okay, that is really important. So this is the complete formula. Okay, so here there is a small letter that is T. What is the meaning of T? T means time. Okay, so now we just found the amount for the first year, so we are supposed to write 1 here. Okay, so here in the place of T we are supposed to write 1. I am literally sorry I didn't just write it in the starting of the question, so it is really important to write it. Okay, alright. So now we are supposed to find the amount for the second year. So I will write the formula, that is A is equal to P 1 plus R divided by 100, and here the timeline. So here now we are finding for second year. So here now we are supposed to write 2. Okay, and then A. So A is equal to P. So what is the principal here? Principal is 10,000, and bracket here we can write 1 as it is, plus rate is 8 divided by 100. Close the bracket. Perfect. So now A is equal to 10,000 and then bracket 1, here nothing is there means 1. So when we just take LCM we will get 100. So here 200, it's important. Okay, so 100 plus 8 divided by 100. Okay, when we just take LCM we will get something like this, and close the bracket 2. Okay, so here this is really important guys, never forget to write the timeline. Okay, and then A is equal to 10,000, and then so now when you just look at it carefully, first let's write the bracket. So 100 plus 8 is 108 divided by 100. Close the bracket 2. Okay, so is equal to 10,000. So here now we have 108 divided by 100 the whole square. Here it is 2 means here it is square, right? So we can actually write 108 divided by 100 into 108 divided by 100. Since we have square, we are supposed to write it like that. Okay, alright. So now what we can do is, now we can actually cancel 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, like this we can actually cancel. Then we will get 108 into 108. So 108 into 108 is 11,664. Okay, so this is going to be the amount for the second year, that is 11,664. So now we can actually form an AP. Okay, so AP, so first we have 10,000, that is the actual principal, isn't it? So we are supposed to write that 10,000 comma 10,800 comma 11,664. Perfect. So now we can actually subtract them because we want to find common difference. Okay, so this is A1, this is A2, this is A3. So A2 minus A1 is equal to 10,800 minus 10,000, that is going to be 800. Okay, so rupees 800. And then again let us find another one common difference. So A3 minus A2. So A3 value is 11,664 minus 10,800. Okay, so when we just subtract them, we will get 864, rupees 864. Are they similar? No guys, they are not similar, isn't it? So we can write it is not an AP. Okay, so I will write it is not an AP. So this is going to be your answer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.